Hi, it's Theodore here, and today we're about to take on Gatorland, the wildest place in Florida. We're not just talking about looking at gators from a distance. Oh no, we're getting up close and personal with the biggest alligators and crocodiles you've ever seen. This place is called the Alligator Capital of the world for a reason, and we're about to show you why. So get ready, smash that like button if you're pumped, and let's jump right in. We're about to explore, learn, and embrace the wild side of Florida like never before. You won't want to miss this. Whoa, check out this entrance. It's a giant gator mouth. Let's go in. Wait, oh no, my foot is stuck. Don't worry everyone, just a little hiccup. This adventure is just getting started, and a stuck foot won't stop us. Look at that sign. Please be aware, it's bee season and there are bees in the park. Yikes, looks like we have more than just gators to watch out for today. Hey, look over there. Do you think the gators on the platform are real? Let's check it out. Wait, there's a yellow rubber ducky in the pool. What's that doing here? And look at this pool. There are so many small to medium alligators. I counted 27. How many can you count? Let me know in the comments below. Whoa, Dad's lifting me up to see the big gators. Just don't feed me to them, please. Look at them all.
I think that one there is the biggest.
Okay, looks like it's time to face a real challenge. This guy says I'm next to hold the alligator and snake. Am I ready for this?
Hold it right here, right around the neck. Right here around that tail. You're gonna hold that tight, right, bud? And then this girl's gonna go right around it. You put your head down. Cool, and you're good. Alright. Nice big smiles right on my camera.
You know, holding these animals makes me realize how important it is to respect them. They may seem scary, but they're actually amazing creatures that deserve our care. Look at those parrots. They're kissing. Oh, that's so cute. And there's another parrot hiding under this big green leaf. Wait, this one here says, "Do not touch me. I bite hard." Did you hear that? It said, "You are so handsome." Twice. I can't tell if it's the parrot or someone else saying it, but I'm gonna take the compliment. Now we're visiting the snake section. Look at this white snake, and over here 2 snakes wrapped around each other. They look like they're having a cuddle. You know, I think the coolest part about these birds and reptiles is how they all have their own personalities. It's not just about what they look like. Each one has its own story. I love learning about them, even if they're a little scary sometimes. The white albino alligators. Meet Pearl and Moonshine. Pearl is kind, and Moonshine is the firecracker. These alligators are special because they're albino, which means they can't produce melanin. Their skin is white, and their eyes are pink because you can see the blood vessels behind them. They have to stay in the shade because the sun is really harsh on them, kind of like my cousin Maya when she falls asleep at the beach. Ever tried putting sunscreen on a gator? I bet it's not easy. Big gray clouds are rolling in. Looks like there's a storm coming. But first, let's feed some gators. I see about 43 of them. How many can you count? Let me know in the comments. Watch this. Food's going in, and look at them all swim over to get it. Wow, that one really snapped at it. Next stop, feeding some birds. We're in the aviary now, and I've got some food. Let's see if they want to eat. They're flying away. Maybe they're just not hungry today. How many birds do you think are in this aviary? Let me know. And they finally came to me for some snack. Mission accomplished. Thank you, little feather friends, for allowing me to feed you. Okay, time to wash our hands after all that bird feeding. Now, let's head over to the mini zoo to feed some more animals. First stop, these naughty goats. Look at this. They're eating food out of ice cream cones. I bet they think they're having dessert. Look at that big alligator sneaking around. It's like he's spying on us. And over here we have an emu. Did you know that crocodiles and emus are actually related? They're both part of the archosaur family, which also includes dinosaurs. Isn't that cool? It's like they're distant cousins from millions of years ago. And check this out. This is a giant sulcata tortoise, also known as the African spurred tortoise. These are the 3rd largest tortoises in the world. They can live up to 100 years and weigh as much as 200 pounds. Look at her eating her lunch. She's amazing. Fun fact, these tortoises are great diggers and can make burrows up to 15 feet long. Look, it's an African serval cat. Did you know they can jump up to 10 feet high to catch birds in midair? And they're great swimmers too. Who knew cats could be so cool?
Who's awesome at the rock climbing?
That'll be me. I think it's important to keep challenging ourselves, just like we're doing today. Every new thing we try makes us braver.